Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a body scrub. Be needing Dove, honey. We'll also be needing any oil of your choice, whether coconut or I'm using olive oil. Be needing aloe vera gel, and you need a tablespoon, a lot of you need turmeric and a lot of salt, and your container. You could use salt or use sugar. Anyone is fine. You start by pouring your Dove into the container. You apply a generous amount. And go with your olive oil. You don't need to add too much of olive oil, just add enough to make it shine. Just to moisturize your skin. Then you add more oil depending on how plenty you want your mixture to be. Then you go in with your aloe vera gel. You apply a generous amount of aloe vera gel. We all know aloe vera has that soothing effect on the skin, so you want to soothe your skin from any irritation. Then you apply a generous amount of honey. Honey is very crucial in making body scrub, at least for me, except you're allergic to honey. But if you're not allergic to honey, just apply a generous amount of honey. Honey acts as a humectant. It draws in moisture and keep your skin hydrated. Then now you go in with your turmeric. You want to apply enough turmeric for the color if you want. In this video, mine is a bit watery. The end result is a bit watery, and I like it like that. I want it like that. I don't want it too thick, so it's a bit watery. So now I'm stirring all the mixture together for it to marinate on each other. So I'm stirring it and stirring it and stirring it till it makes that mixture that I want. It gives me that consistency that I want. You could see the color has changed due to the honey and the turmeric, especially the turmeric. Then lastly, you go in with your salt. So the salt will act as the scrub, as the main scrub. So you could go in with salt or you go in with sugar. Any which one is fine. So I am mixing it again. Remember, I said that I want mine to be watery. If you are making yours, you could make salt to be a lot than the water mixture. When I mean water mixture, I mean the water content of all the products. So I apply the remaining salt and I mix again. Then I wanted to add more Dove to it, just for that nice smell. Dove has a really nice smell. I know be part of it. You know be clear for your memory. But then now we are come back. I get those time even life in my fire burning bright within the inside. Money with my feeling never know I color. So the go find get balance everything inside my mind daily. Now I'm done with mixing the moisture. Now I'm going to be using it to scrub my body. In this video you'll be seeing how I scrub my body. I love the consistency that is given. I love the consistency so much. So now I'm applying it, scrubbing it on my body. I love the way my body felt after using this product. When I washed it off, my body was so soft, so silky, and so supple. That's exactly what I want. So that is how you make your own body scrub. So if this video was helpful to you in any kind, please drop a like, comment, and share, and subscribe, please. Please take us to 100 subscribers. I'm really trying to put out content, but if you guys don't subscribe, I won't be motivated to continue. Please like, share, subscribe with your friends, and I'll be so glad, and I'll make more beautiful content. Please comment the kind of product, the kind of video would like me to do in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.